Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. For those of you wondering, it is a cardio AMRAP workout. So what that means is that we're going to be doing as many reps as possible for each one of the 3 rounds. This means it's going to get intense. So in the first round, it's a 3-minute round, and we're going to do rounds of 3 burpees, followed by 3 push-ups, followed by 20 mountain climbers. It is definitely important that you take this at your own pace. It can, it can be one of those that makes you feel like you're going to throw up. So please, please, please listen to your body. If there's anything that hurts, please modify and make sure that you spend enough time warming up. All right, just even like arm circles, like squats, just warm it up so that you're not jumping into this cold. All right, so first is going to be 3 minutes, 3 burpees, 3 push-ups, and 20 mountain climbers, and then we just keep doing that for 3 minutes. It's going to be intense for sure, so please let me know if you're doing this live or if you're doing this later on. Either way, we have a total of 3 rounds, so technically it's only a 9-minute workout, and you would think, how bad can that be? We're about to find out. All right, so I have my timer right here, 3 minutes. Okay, so for those of you that may not be sure about how to do this, I'm going to show you how to modify each one of these exercises, and then we're going to go into the 3 minutes. Okay, so first for burpees, you can totally do, like, for example, if you have like a step or a chair or something like that, you can use this for your burpees. Okay, so you could put your hands here and you could step it out, step it in, and stand up, or you could jump in and stand up. So you can do that for sure, okay? Because otherwise going flat on the floor is definitely a little more challenging. A burpee on the floor could look like this, hands under your shoulders. You can jump out, jump in, and jump up, okay? You can also walk in and out. All right, so those are your burpees. Now for push-ups, you can also use something like this, and then you go down for your push-ups like that. That is going to be easier than this. Okay, and if that's not challenging enough, then do full push-ups. All right, so those are our push-ups, and then we have mountain climbers, which you can, level 1 is standing up, and you bring your knees up here. There you go, just like that. And you would count, every time you bring one knee up, you would count that as 1. So if you need to do 20, it is 10 on one side, 10 on the other. All right. The full version of it is down like this, knees in, just like that. All right, so let's do this. 3 minutes, 3 burpees, 3 push-ups, 20 mountain climbers, and then we'll come back and see how it did. Okay, get ready. I have my timer here. 3 minutes and go. Okay, burpees. 1, 2, 3. Now 3 push-ups. 2, 3, and then mountain climbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and then you go right back into it. So 3 burpees. 3 push-ups. And 20 mountain climbers. All right. It's only been a minute. Now burpees again. 1, 2, 3 push-ups. Three. And mountain climbers. And time. All right, we have about a minute left. Back to burpees. Take your own time depending on where you're at. Do it at your own pace, all right? Two, three, push-ups. Three. All right, 38 seconds. Finish strong. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Oh my goodness. All right. That was round 1. That was crazy. All right, so let me know how you're doing. You can do this. So now is a good time. Now is a good time to grab some water. Okay, sure. It's a good time to grab some water and get ready for the next one, which I'll explain next. So, more push-ups. How dare they? If you're wondering why, I sometimes don't seem too keen on these, is because I didn't design them myself. I asked one of our trainers to do it. Just because when you design your own workout, you're always going to put things in there that you're good at, that you enjoy. And I didn't want that because I wanted to be in it as much as you guys. All right, so next, 10 jump squats, 5 push-ups, and 10 shoulder taps. All right, so let's go over the jump squats first. So level 1 would be just a regular squat, okay? So you go down and back up, making sure your knees are not going forward. You want your bum to go back like that, all right? That's level 1. Level 2 would be a squat with a jump. You need to land on soft knees and only do this if you've got good knees, all right? So you go down and jump. Notice how as soon as I land, my knees are soft so that I can go into that squat, all right? Push-ups, we just explained, and now shoulder taps are like this. High plank position, hold your core in, and you're simply tap and tap. You're switching sides, okay? That's it. Every time you touch a shoulder, that counts as 1. So we're going for 10 jumping squats, 5 push-ups, and 10 shoulder taps for 3 minutes, all right? How are you guys doing? If you had some water, I hope you didn't drink a lot, because otherwise it'll try to come back up, all right? All right, so let's get ready. I have my timer here, and here we go. Jump squats, push-ups, and shoulder taps. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And shoulder taps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, back to jump squats. I'm gonna show you like a modified round of this so that you know what it looks like. So, regular squats instead of jumping squats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Squeeze your bum every time at the end of the squat. 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep your back straight. 9 and 10. Now push-ups. What we're doing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh crap, it was supposed to be 5. All right, and now shoulder taps. That's how much I like push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have 1 minute left, so let's power through this. Finish it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 5 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And shoulder taps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's great, but we have 20 seconds left, so we got to keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 push-ups, 5 seconds left. All right. Not too bad. That was round 2. Okay. How do we stop this thing? All right. So that was round 2. Well done. 66% done. Now we're gonna go into round 3. So this one, it gets better and then it gets worse. So we're doing 20 bicycle crunches. You probably have done these before. We did them yesterday. 10 up and downs, or also called walking planks. We did these a few days ago. And 5 Miguel burpees. So these are some that I made up, and everybody loves them. Everybody asks me to put them in classes. So hopefully you feel the same way. Again, I'll show you one of each, and then we'll go into the 3-minute round. Okay, so bicycle crunches. 3 different levels. Level 1, you're laying completely flat on the floor. Okay, feet are resting, your shoulders are resting on the floor, and you would bring one elbow and the opposite knee to meet, and then you switch. All right, that's level 1. Level 2 is you keep your shoulders off and your feet off the floor. Makes it quite a bit more challenging. That's level 2. Level 3, you sit up, and then from here, you twist. 1, 2, 3. All right? Then, up and downs or walking plank. It's you start from a plank, a high plank, hands right under the shoulders. Your body is nice and flat. And now, you go down to your elbows. I'll show you level 1. Level 1 is with your knees down. So you go down, down, up, up. And then you switch arms. Down, down, up, up. And then you switch. So you alternate arms every single time. All right? You can also do it without your knees on the floor. And then Miguel burpees. I hope you love these. Although Miguel burpees don't really care what you think about them. They're kind of a-holes like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to start from here, and you're going to do a full sit-up. Sit-up, then a push-up. So you need to transition as fast as you can into that push-up, and then you finish with a regular burpee by jumping, okay? So a Miguel burpee is a sit-up, a push-up, and a jumping squat combined, all right? You can call those, you can you can give them a different name if you want. That's okay. All right, so 20 bicycle crunches, 10 walking planks, and 5 Miguel burpees for 3 minutes. Good news is, that's it. We finished that. That's our 9th minute, and we can GTFO. All right, let's do this. So 3 minutes on the timer. I'm going to show you version 1 at the beginning, and then progressively go into the more difficult ones. So here we go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Did they say 20? Oh my goodness. Yes, 20. 21. Sorry, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You can feel that. Okay, walking planks, we need 10 of them. Oh, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep alternating those arms. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. And 10. All right, and then we'll finish with Miguel burpees, 5 of those. I'm kind of blind. Yes, 5. Okay, so full sit up. And then you would do a push up, which can be over there, right? Or with your knees down on the floor. 1, 2. Oh, sorry. And then you jump in, jump up. My brain. All right, continue on. You do a sit up, a push up, and then jump in and jump up. All right, let's just keep going. That's 3. That's 4. And 5. Okay, 45 seconds. Let's do a full version of it. So, sit up, push up, and jump. Push up, and jump. 25 seconds. Sit up. Push up. Oh. Good, good, good. Keep going. Doesn't matter how slow or how fast you may be going. Keep moving. Up. Push up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, all right. So that was 3 minutes. So as you can see, it was only 9 minutes in total. But this is a good one because it can get as hard as you want, right? Like if you just ramp up the pace, then, I mean, you can see it was only 9 minutes and I'm all sweaty. Okay, please let me know if you're doing this. If you go and you take a picture of you with your family or with whomever you're doing this and like with your phone kind of showing the workout, and you post it, #DrivenWarrior, you may get some love, some extra love from me, from us, all right? So let me know what you thought. Let me know from 1 to 10, what was the level of difficulty in this one for you. 1 is I fell asleep. 10 is I died. Goodbye. All right. Thank you for hanging out with me. I'll see you soon. I love your faces. Bye.